This is 4 years to
incentives.
get the document you're talking about.
Well, those kind of things are kind of out of our hands. Those are environmental, those are working with the Corps of Engineers, with DHEC. Those are things that, you know, it's not like we can spend more money to speed up that process.
So when we hear about the current administration wanting to do away with a lot of regulation and streamline, that directly affects the work you guys are trying to do.
It does. I mean, the environmental permitting, it takes a really, like I said, the interchange project that we are currently working on, this one, the Gateway project, it took 1.5 years. And some of that was just, you know, anybody that is in the area of that permit process, if they send a $250 check to DHEC or the Corps, it can delay it 3 months. Just saying that they're not for it. So, yeah, the process is lengthy. That's usually our biggest thing. Utilities, of course, you know, you have the utilities that have to relocate. We've had a lot of utility relocations on this job, but I don't believe that that's held it. They kind of moved along with the progression of the project. But the problem with the document, the NEPA document, and getting the environmental permit is you really can't do any work until then. You know, you can't. You have to have your plans designed, and since this is a design build job, you have to go through the design process and then submit your plans for your permitting to the Corps. And you know, that process usually takes several months on a good day. Yes, sir.
What's y'all's rule of thumb on how far above capacity you're going to approve a project at? Because a lot of times I feel like projects get completed and then the next season, but we're already at capacity. And I'm thinking about 77 and 26, mile marker 120 to 130 is backed up for 30 minutes, and 77's project was finished 2 years ago.
Well, I'm not a planner and I'm not a designer. We do look at projected counts.
Yeah.
Are we behind? Yes. You know, we are. Of course, anybody can drive on 85 or 26 or 95 or any of the interstates to know that we are. The big part of that is then funding and not having the money to go out there and widen, you know, 100 miles of interstate from 2 lanes to 3 or 4 lanes. So, you know, we try to improve the capacity. We do usually look 25 to 30 years out and try to project those traffic counts, and that's what we do.